Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We're in Wills Point, Texas. We're looking at a crawl space that is tied to a basement. It's below the basement. It's built like a swimming pool, and I just want you to see just how big this house is. This type of system is usually done on a multi-million-dollar home. The problem is, which you can't see, is the smell. The smell is below the basement, and they're going to trap it into that room. So when they open up that door, there's going to be a trap door that they're going to have to use in order to seal it off. Now we're on the back side of this basement. It doesn't smell back here, but the moment we move to the center of the room, and you can look down and tell, see the moisture is actually affecting the basement. This is a very large basement where the fireplace is, and it's affecting, you see it? See the dinginess from the moisture? The onset of mold is began, and the house is not completed. I'd say the house is about 60% completed. When I tell people my average repair, 20% of my jobs is for a home that is 50% completed. This is a perfect example. This is the main room, and that is the area that goes into the crawl space, which is below the basement, and it's where the problem is. And unplug that so you can see there's a bucket there because they're manually bailing water out, and this basement has to be, I'd say, about 22 to 2,400 square foot. So that's a lot of crawl space up under there. So this crawl space, I'd say, is about 4 feet tall, which is in this design for this type of system. And everyone is under the assumption that there is no water, but they could be water. The problem is with the moisture level that high, you crawl under that crawl space many times, and the beams will look like they're crying because so much moisture is just dripping off the beams. So someone needs to tell these people that soon as this area has been completed, they need to put in some dehumidifiers right off. Otherwise, this is the issue they're going to have. They're going to be fighting mold. So we're going to partially walk upstairs, and then I'll shut off the video because they do not want to see Willie with the Basement Kings showing these type of situations. But I just want you to be able to see this is a pretty large house. I love houses like this. House this big should have an elevator, but we're out in the country. So the house should be pretty nice.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.